Alright. Part 2. Part 2. Press any button. Play solo. Let's take over the world. As you see, nope. Don't just find no one. Alright. Just upgrading them again because I just forgot to save. Okay. Do cat food. And let's don't forget about how these. They already spend like 2 million. Okay. Let's go and quit. Why not cat food? He's looking good. Maybe like raised girls. Come on. That'd be a great team. Why not our saw cat? Maybe him. And also crazy. That's slot 1. We're only in China. We're in the 3rd level, and we're only in the 3rd level. Nope. No, I don't. No. I want you to do the dirty work. Do my dirty work. Yes. Whoa. I'm just spawning more. I'm just spawning. Yeah. Nope. Alright. Good. No cat. I don't really care. Like, I have lots of cats. I have a lot of cat food. I have lots of powerful, crazed cats. Alright. Let's get this done with. Alright. This is part 3 anyways. I forgot to tell you. Part 3. Yeah. Boom. Oh, already finished. Alright. California. We got California. California. Can't go. Straight up can't go to get And cat card again. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Is some of these guys. Just finished the level already. Voila. Did the first season. I forgot. Beep. Oh no, let's just buy some more. Buying some more. Buying another 4 million. Oh. Forgot there's a save button. Really? I forgot that there's a save button. It's the only way. We're only gonna do this. Let's go to this. Go to Japan. We get to the Japan level. That's the final level and this cat got thing. The game. Bubble boy. Oh, there goes the dog. What the dog doing? Did some new patch of army. Banana. Banana? Okay. I'm ready for this new. And it's masked cat. What is that taking? Yes, I will upgrade you. I don't care about growth. Oh, let's get back to where I was doing it. Bam! Power. Japan. Pricey. See ya, Japan. See ya, Japan. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, we're losing our 6,000. And woo! Behemoth. The cat. And come with your fellows. Come with the fellows. He doesn't care. The boss was like, roar. The boss was just like, roar. And like, and he's like, and like this, and like, boom. Yeah, yeah. What is this? I'm putting myself like, why do I walk on it? Oh, it's the time. Oh. The powerful 10 caps. Oh, draw. I got rare. Yo, use it now. Why? This is my first rare. My second rare on this account. Because I have another account. And I'll show you the account in next video. It's gonna be called me showing you my first ever account. of foul catching it. And hint, I'm super far in the game. Am I ever gonna get hit a single uber super rare? Looks like I'm not. I'm just gonna get rares. My another rare. Why another rare? It's probably gonna be part. I have 2 more. I have 4 more minutes on this part 3. I have to delete some videos. Those. Get more storage, and don't worry, the video get videos on my channel. If it's on the videos channel, it would still be there, even though I think. That's it. I only got rares. Am I ever gonna get uber rares? I mean, it's not an uber super rare, but it's a super rare. And it's a little bit more better than a rare. Super rare. Yeah. Okay, now we're getting into the super rares. Again with the rares. Am I ever gonna get uber super rares? Super just happened. Okay. I just got this. Okay. First one. Okay, I'm just getting a little bit annoying. So quick. Nice. Are we go back into this? Gonna run out. Again, really? Am I ever gonna get it? And that's my last one. The 4th one. The 4th one! It's my final one! I don't have enough to do another one. Okay, this is annoying. Okay. There. No rare. How much rares I'm gonna get? Stop with the rares. Finally! Rare. Uber super rare. Ooh, another one. Hey, welcome to the team. Again! Wow! Now again into the uber super rares. This is my last one. Okay, but are we gonna end it off with getting another toy cat? Okay, I have a few seconds. I have to quickly say bye. Oh. Bye guys. I have 10 seconds, but let's bye. Like and subscribe. Let's say bye before I say subscribe.